At Pixie Sparkles, I sell a lot of variety of toys to our kids, and I've noticed that there's so much more we can do for our kids. So I went on to the AM website where I've looked a lot of videos to see how I can create something special for your child. So what I'm going to show you today is I'm going to use a normal tumbler, a Supplementation tumbler, that I'm going to turn into a custom tumbler for your child that he would love to have at school. So we'll take our phone, we'll get a picture of Pinterest. I'll just put it in my normal gallery, and from there I'm going to print it over to my Supplementation printer. I'm just going to make it a bit smaller because, as you can see, if you make it an A4 size, it's never going to fit to your tumbler, and you want to print it from that rim up into the bottom here to have normally a full print. So what I do is I'll make the print a little bit bigger so that it fit onto A4, and from there I'll print it to my Supplementation printer. As you can see, we've printed the picture onto the special paper from AM that will be for your tumblers and mugs, and obviously your Supplementation printer. From here, I'm going to take it to my table, I'm going to prepare it and put it onto my tumbler. Once I've cut out all the sections, I take my wrap paper, I'm going to take my tumbler, I'm going to screw off the plastic lids. The reason for that is it will melt into your press. So I'm taking that off. Now I'm going to take my picture, I'm going to lay it down on my tumbler, and I'm going to make sure that it's all wrapped around. As you can see, I've got a little bit of an overlay on the tumbler. You need to cut that off because you'll double print. So what I do is I just do it like that. I'll fold it over, and then I'm going to cut it again. So now I've measured it to size. You'll see that it's a perfect wrapped around like that. From there I'll be using my heat tape. Press it nice and tight. You take your heat tape and you'll secure all your sections of your paper to make sure that you'll get a beautiful print. This is not any tape, this is a special heat tape that you will be using for your tumbler. What you can get it also from AM, where I'm getting all my consumables, papers and inks. Now we're going to preheat my press so that I can show you what it would look like when it's finished. I'll go to my instruction booklet that you will get with your equipment, and you make sure that it's on 230 degrees, and you're going to press it for 40 seconds, but I normally do it only 30 seconds to make sure that it's not burning. While we're waiting for the heat press to heat up, I just want to give you guys some pointers. That machine will go to a very high heat, so you need to remove any plastic objects from your tumblers or your mugs, whatever you're pressing. From there, remember as well, I didn't bring it with, but you should have a nice pair of heat gloves, because once this is pressed, you need to remove your tape while it's still hot to see if your picture is 100%. As you can see, our tumbler press is now up to our temperature. So I'll take my mug, I'll slide it into my tumbler press, so I'll press it a bit in. From there I'll adjust my knobs to make sure that it's nice and tight. I'll close it from here. Make sure that your tumbler is nice and tight in there. I'll start the adjustment. So what you can see, it's counting down, and now it's the time for it to print or cook into your press. And as soon as it's the right timing, you'll hear an alarm like that. You'll set your alarm off, you open your press, and from here I did not bring my gloves. As I explained to you guys, it's very hot. So I'm just going to use a normal piece of paper just to get my tumbler out of the press. As you can see, the steam is coming out. It's like very hot. So let's just slide it out. Please make sure it's very hot. You use something to pick it up, a cloth or your heating gloves. I will prefer leave the tumbler for a few minutes to cool off. As you can see, it's still very hot. Unless you got heat protected gloves, you can go on to unwrap your tumbler. As you can see, I've left it for a few minutes and now I can touch my tumbler. So now I'm going to remove all my heat tape from my tumbler. I'm going to basically unwrap my tumbler. You don't have to do it nicely. You can just open it, unwrap it. As you can see there, how do we reveal the picture that you've just done from your sublimation printer that I've pressed right onto my tumbler, and we've got this nice little custom tumbler for your child for school. When you're finished, you can take your top that I told you to remove and your little straw. You assemble your tumbler, like put your straw in, and you put it straight back onto your tumbler. You screw your top on, and there you've got your nice little cup for your child at school. As you can see, there's no limit of what you can do for a tumbler. You can do any sizes, any shapes, even for your dad, for the gym, even for your teachers. You can do all different sizes, pictures, anything that you would like to. There's no limit of what picture, what design, and what size of tumbler you can print. As you can see, guys, I've created this beautiful tumbler today with the help of AM.CO.ZA's machinery and the accessories. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did today, and then I'll definitely will see you in the next one.